Hi everybody, I'm Jennifer Turcott.
And I'm Marcus Parsley, and we are IGL Coatings.
And we are here to talk to you today about our trim coating. So Marcus, how do we use this?
It's very simple. Once the inside of your car or the exterior trim that you're thinking about coating, your plastic or your wood type panels, a simple quick wipe down with IGL Pre-Coat. Apply the trim to the microfiber pad and applicator. Use it on there, wait a minute or so, buff off any excess if you've got any with the IGL microfiber towel. It's that simple. There's a QR code in there for you to use.
There is.
As well.
There's a QR code so you can scan it if you want to watch the video on how to apply it as well. After you apply the first coat, you definitely want to wait at least 2 hours before you apply the second coat, and you get 1 to 2 years of longevity. So if you want your trims restored and looking like new again and protected, I highly suggest that you try this product out. For more information on this product, go visit Autogeek.com.